Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply mine your Floki Inu tokens on any wallet exchange. Alright, and our first step is going to be simply opening up your browser and taking a look at the Floki contracts. As you can see here, we're looking at the Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain. If you exit that, we get to see the Floki Inu, its current price, its market volatility, and the rest of that good stuff. Once you click on contracts, you click on this arrow pointed to the right, you get to see its Ethereum and Smart Chain contract address. We'll be selecting Ethereum, seeing as mining or staking on the Pancake Swap is not available. Pancake Swap is for the Smart Chain Floki, while the Ethereum-based Floki is for Uniswap. So if you were to open up your Trust wallets and head over to your browser, where you simply scroll down and select Uniswap. Uniswap is much easier to make use of, seeing as the liquidity percentage is a bit higher on Uniswap than PancakeSwap. So once you open up Uniswap, make sure you head over to the pool, which is at the bottom of the screen here, and you simply click on add new position, and you click on select the token, and then you simply paste the wallet address you just copied, the contract address you just copied, which belongs to the Floki Inu. Click on Floki. As you can see here, you're given the chance to add liquidity to this pool. You can simply add liquidity here, which means you're going to be staking both your Ethereum and Floki in exchange for massive profits, depending on the market movement and the liquidity of the market at that point in time. So if you were to input an amount of Ethereum, let's go with 0.01 and 4,000 Floki, you have to make sure your balance matches. But once you have enough Floki on your balance, you'd be able to stake this, or you'd be able to add this liquidity to the market. Alright guys, and that's how you can simply mine on your Floki Inu. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.